Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into Midl, which is Bitcoin. Everything you did on Ethereum, you can do on Bitcoin. So basically building out dApps on Bitcoin. Midl is live, their testnet is live, and you can earn based on participating, either on the testnet or investing with real money. So there's two ways to earn and to get into Midl. So we will have some fun exploring this. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like results based on rewards, completing quests, earn gears, and swap them for Testnet Bitcoin, or Midl Liquidity Bootstrap Program by investing early. So lots of ways to earn rewards. Also, I have a Discord. Link is down below, or you can get direct access to our testnet page. Also on Twitter at the BCR142. And I co-host a show every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, here at DeFi Crypto and Airdrops. And I go live with Veteran Crypto, Veteran for Crypto. Check him out on the Twitters and our DeFi Crypto and Airdrops page, the_only_DCA. We got a lot of great alpha, a lot of good stuff, and bringing you the best of the best. So Bitcoin token super cycle is here, and Midl is live on Bitcoin Testnet. The moment we've been working for is finally here, and they're live. So it's a huge leap towards the grand mission to turn Bitcoin from a store of value to a utility asset. For everyone reading this, it's first opportunity to test out the Ethereum-like user experience directly on Bitcoin and explore the real potential of the native Bitcoin standards. So during the first week, starting from today, July 31st, it is the 4th right now, so it's probably going to come out a week after. Test out their batch of internal dApps through quests. The experience might be a bit rough to start, so perform swaps, etch your runes, mint stablecoins, and after the week of initial testing, they'll introduce a major upgrade, proof of skill campaign, even your gears finally get utility. Okay, so let's see. Swaps futures real trading experience, runes etching, stablecoin minting, following the liquidity protocol model. Only a small fraction of the action you'll be able to perform during the proof of skill campaign, all natively on Bitcoin. Cool. Oh, it is Xverse wallet only. So the proof of skill campaign will last for only a month. Next week, they'll send updates on how to convert gears to testnet Bitcoin. Ooh, if you fail to convert your gears to test Bitcoin during the month, the balances will be burned. There will be only 14,000 of test Bitcoin available during the campaign. Okay, shoot, then let's get it. All right, here you can join with the Bootstrap program and investing, but we're not gonna go that route today because we are going over the testnet result-based rewards, complete quests. We will start earning, and that will take you here. So you need the Xverse wallet, and if you don't have one, what you need to do is take your Unisat wallet and take the seed phrase and import it into your Xverse wallet. So I'm gonna select account 1 or go back. Yeah, so my testnet Bitcoin from my Unisat wallet will be, and then we're gonna go to the Midl reg test, this testnet, and here it is. So let's check it out. Chapter 1. So let's connect our socials. Let me log in. Let me authorize this. Put in my, there we go. Authorize. Oh, request error on the connecting the socials. Connecting the Twitter it didn't like that. Okay, let's see. Can we get it? There. Nice. Okay, so we've got our 60 gears from signing up. Now let's go to daily quest. See on X. So let's verify that. Did we see it? Like and retweet. So they're daily quests. Okay. So we'll do this, like and retweet. And you can invite, so I will ask people, start quest. Huh, you couldn't, huh? Okay, maybe it takes a little while. All right, we're gonna go back, play the game, and chapter 1. Yeah, these motherfuckers are tripping. Getting to the middle trenches. Let's see, Maxi Bitcoin OG. All right, we'll start with the traveler's journey. So let's see what we gotta do. Okay, post the link to your X. Post a screenshot of your levels, gear balance, Steam boost, on X. Okay, so right here. There we go. So just post a picture and we can go to our status. Boom. All right, so the Twitter verification's not working very well on this. So what you're gonna do is just fucking come back later, I guess. That's kind of trash that I don't know what the issue is, but we'll figure it out. I think it might be my PC is just not liking it's just very slow. Traveler's journey, come on. Yeah, that's a post, but it's not liking it. So we're gonna figure this out, I guess, later. Okay, getting to the middle trenches. Let's see this one, if we can do this quest. Oh, fun, fun. All right, after some time, we were able to get this quest to complete successfully. So there we go. Still got this guy out here freaking going crazy with the leaf blower. I think this might have some like bugs still. It feels like he's only staying around this area too. Like, come on, man. That's painful. Okay, so go back to the main chapter and then join the Discord. Yes, we are in the Discord. I guess say GM in the Discord. And let's wait and see if we can verify. Because I think that's the issue. It might make you wait one cycle. So let's verify again. There we go. Okay, so we might have to do that, go through each one. Okay, let's go back and we did that. We did it. Okay. Yeah, it's taking a little while. So browse the Midl website and to find what word is used between build and use blank and blank, build and use blank and blank dApps. Okay, let's see. What are the words build and use? Build and use native dApps, right? Is that the only? Oh, build and, native. Nice, there we go. We'll continue. Remember, it will take a second. Let's do the daily task again and verify, because we might have to verify this twice. Oh, nice. So yeah, it looks like you need to go through the cycle twice, the verification thing. Okay, now we did that. So that's complete. All right, now let's go back to getting in the middle trenches. Post a message on how you discovered Midl. Okay, these social tasks are quite consuming. There we go. Whoa, Izuma is selling his layer 3 account. Dang. Woo, that's huge. Wow. Sheesh. Sometimes just can't keep them all happy. All right, we're gonna verify this and give it another 30 seconds. All right, on to the next step. Oh my gosh, another social task. Okay, I'm gonna skip. If that's all social tasks, I'm just gonna skip that for now. Okay, I wanna see the Explorers Guild. I'm done with that social task bullshit. Read our Gears presentation article and find out how to describe a reward system for helping the Bitcoin ecosystem grow. Yes. Next, right here. Turning Bitcoin into a dynamic platform for builders, enabling a thriving native dApp ecosystem. Okay, and let's see. Building private Bitcoin sidechain. Providing an open source infrastructure and tools to empower builders to launch dApps natively on Bitcoin. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Congratulations. Okay, now, I guess, no. Well, I do need to open the Telegram. Let's do this. Bring up the Telegrams. Oh, let me open this up again. Sometimes Telegram doesn't acknowledge it. So we just joined that, and it doesn't have Telegram linked here, so I don't know how it's gonna say hi. Hello. Oh, I'm banned from participating in public groups. Oh no. Okay, whatever. That's cool. So I'm going to close the Telegram. Next quest. Boom. Post a message and tag 3 friends. Okay. You can do that later. Traveler's journey. Yeah. So Bitcoin OG. Let's check this out. Why Bitcoin and choose the best answer. because new infrastructure will now enable real dApps to be built on Bitcoin. Ethereum is shutting down and users need a new chain. That's funny. That's funny. Oh man, that's great. All right, the current state of Bitcoin. Let's see. Ooh. So Bitcoin is entering its early token era with standards like ordinals and rules forming foundations of native user-driven ecosystem. I think that one's it. Yes. All right. Let's see the last one. And by building a beta and Bitcoin native execution environment that lets smart contracts run directly on Bitcoin, just like on other chains. And then we gonna get this. Bada bing, bada boom. Hey, bada bada. Swing bada. Okay, back to chapter 1. So I think we do need to finish this, unfortunately. So chapter 1, let's go with the slow poke. Okay, now I need to share this, and it just feels too spammy when you're having to, I thought I already did share my, so I need invite, yeah, share to socials, boom. I don't know why it doesn't have you do that first. All right, we are, see, Midl, you fucking causing spam. Wow. Okay, so, okay. Yeah, that's the thing about these social things is that you fucking, they cause spam. So that's the one thing I will say, spread these out during the week. Don't just, okay, there you go. Causing the spam attack. So yeah, that's just annoying that you have to do all these social media stuff or social posts and let's see. Okay, what next? We got anything next? 2 more after this? Because I'm gonna do that last Twitter post later. Okay, what else we got? Oh, yeah, we already did that. Okay, we'll wait 30 seconds. Give it a little stretch. Oh. We've been working hard. Okay. All right, we got one more. Okay, and the last one is post a message on X announcing that you're off to the trenches. I'm going to do that tomorrow, so that way I don't get banned again. And Traveler's Journey, I think this is the tag 3 friends. So I'm going to do those tomorrow. That way I'm not getting spammed, but back to the main page. So after chapter 1 is done, I will start the chapter 2 video. So there it is, chapter 1 complete. And yeah, we'll jump into chapter 2 once I'm feeling comfortable about posting on Twitter. But yeah, jump in there, get onboarded, and be prepared for part 2. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies.